Hello people, this is African Lion, and I am here camping with Manemanera, yeah, and we are gonna go fishing. Well, not we as in me, but we're just, Manemanera and his father are gonna go fishing now. We're gonna try to see if we can get jellyfish and video. Hopefully. Yeah. I'm not allowed to leave the tent, so yeah. Gets very boring in here. Being trapped inside a suitcase. Not fun. Trust me, don't do it. Okay, bye. Right now Dad's bringing together our fishing poles. Well, at least my fishing pole, Dad says. Sitting over there. Wait. So is mine. Mine's a black one. Okay. How's it going there, Dad?
Well good.
Say hi.
Hi, Dad. Looks like it's kind of old.
Yeah. There's our, what's it called?
Tackle box.
Tackle box. Box of tackles. There's our fire pit. We had a campfire last night. Okay, we just came back from a fishing trip. We got nothing except for 2 little sunfish.
Are you kidding?
And now my mom is with us. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Hi.
You're just like my father. No. No.
Goes the other way?
No, you didn't pull it down on the way. Just, no.
No.
No. Ha. Fire. Man's discovery. A long, long time ago. Now used to heat roasted weenies and balls of fluffy sugar.
Old mommies and daddies.
And Manemanera's.
Sure.
Fire. Man's wonderful discovery.
Didn't you say that already?
I'm trying to make it dramatic.
Oh, my bad.
I'll say. But also, we're man's greatest enemies. His fire can destroy. You know what? I'm just gonna shut up now. Fire. Okay, I already did that. And just showing you our tent at night, it has lights on it. Yes, it does. And there's Dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
That's an old joke.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hi.
And this is the end of day 2, yes, of our camping trip. Okay, bye.